Basic structure of an HTML document. An HTML document may contain text or graphics. If it is text, then it is called hypertext. If graphics or any multimedia, then the document is called hypermedia. So there are two types of documents in the network, hypertext and hypermedia. So a web page can be a combination of hypertext and hypermedia. And these web pages are designed using HTML. So HTML means hypertext markup language. Hypertext, that means it is such type of text that appears on web page by use of which you can link to other web pages on the internet. So it is hypertext, and it is markup language because we use some types of coding. Using some type of coding, we design the web pages. Due to those markups or the HTML codes, the web browser is able to interpret those codes and accordingly display the content on the web page. So it is markup language. So hypertext markup language, HTML, is the basic language to create web pages. Mainly it is used for designing purpose, and it is used to design and display web pages on the internet with the help of web browsers. So HTML can be written in any text processor. Like I have used this basic text processor Notepad. In Notepad you can type the HTML codes, and these codes can be displayed on the web browser, any browser. Whatever code I will write here, according to it, it will display on the web page. Mainly HTML codes are used to tell the browser about the formatting of the text. And HTML document includes text as well as graphics. So whatever content we are going to write on a web page, that should be written in the HTML code, and whatever formatting or design should be applied to that content is mentioned in the HTML code by means of some commands called tags. According to those commands, the text is displayed on the web page, maintaining a proper format. That means these tags are understood by the web browser to display the contents of the document on the web page. However, these tags don't appear on the web page itself. That means by use of these tags, it tells the web browser what is to be done and how the content is to be displayed, in which format, in which form. So the web browser understands these commands or tags and accordingly displays the information based on those tags. These tags are enclosed within angle brackets. You can see here, these are called the angle brackets. Within these angle brackets, a command is written. This command is called the tag. Along with the angle brackets, it is called a tag. That means these tags are first read by the web browser. The web browser interprets it and gets to know what these commands are telling the web browser to do. So in a way you can say that these tags instruct the web browser to display the content in a proper format or in a desired format as coded by the HTML coder or the user. So HTML coding is done in a text processor like Notepad, and when this Notepad file is converted to HTML type of document, then that document can be displayed on the web page. Actually, whatever code we write, this only forms the web page. When we will save this file as a HTML file, it will become a web page, and it can be opened only by means of web browser. As the default web browser is Internet Explorer, so in a computer you can open this type of file using any type of web browser, but if it is default web browser, then it will open with that only. If your computer has Internet Explorer as the default browser, then Internet Explorer will open this type of file. You can choose different type of browser also. That means this page will be converted into a HTML type of file, and the web browser will interpret these HTML codes and accordingly display the content written in this file. So the general format of HTML document is given here. An HTML document consists of two parts. One is the head part, another is the body part. This head part indicates that it is giving some information about the web page, whereas whatever is content within the body tags means that will actually appear in the body of the web page, and whatever appears in the head portion, that means it will appear in the title bar of the web page, or just give some information about that web page. And when the browser interprets this file, these HTML codes are not shown on the web page. Only the main material or the main matter, like here understanding HTML in computer studies, this will appear in the web page, but this body given in angle brackets, these tags will not appear. These tags will just guide the browser how to display this main content. That is the main concept of HTML. So every HTML document starts with an opening HTML tag and ends with an ending HTML tag. HTML tags are of two types: container tags and empty tags. Container tags are those tags which require an opening and closing command. You can see here, this is the opening HTML command and this is the ending HTML command. These are also called start tags, end tags, or on tag, off tag, and they come in pairs. Here also you can see head, opening tag head, and closing head tag. The opening tag or the on tag or the start tag, you may say, uses the angle bracket, whereas the off tag uses a forward slash after the opening angle bracket. This is the on tag This is the on tag of HTML. This is the off tag of HTML. Here no forward slash is used. In the on tag or in the starting tag, no forward slash is used. In the off tag or the ending tag, and forward slash is used just after the starting angle bracket. That means whatever we put inside, that is contained within the starting and ending tag. That means this HTML tag means it is an HTML document, and whatever web page things, whatever things we require in the web page should be kept within these HTML tags. Now empty tags. Empty tags are those tags which do not require a closing tag. That means an empty tag has only a starting tag. It does not have an ending tag. It does not come in pair. An example of ending tag is BR, break tag. During the course of the chapter, you will be able to understand about all these tags. It is just an introduction. So all the container tags need a starting and ending tag, but an empty tag does not require an ending tag. It has only a starting tag, and the web browser understands that this is an empty tag. This BR tag is used to leave a blank line between two paragraphs. That means it works like a enter key. If you give this break, here is only one line, but if suppose there are two or more lines, and if you want to separate them line wise or give a enter key, then this break tag is used. And whenever we use this break tag, the computer understands, the browser understands that there should be a line break, so it does not require any ending tag. Actually, break tag is given after a line That means if I give BR tag within these two separate sections, then this ICSC will appear in the next line, just like it is hitting an enter key. So break tag acts like hitting an enter key at this place, and ICSC will go to the next line. So the web browser understands that there is a line break at this position, so it does not require any ending tag like /br. /br is not required because whenever the web browser encounters this br tag, it makes a line break for it. But if you, in the container tags, if you use only body, and if you don't use this /body, then the web browser will not be able to understand that where the actual body is starting and where it is ending. So this is the basic difference of container tags and empty tags. Now coming to the head tag, the heading of the whole document is generally written in this portion. This head tag carries all the information regarding the web page, and those information may or may not be shown on the web page. Now another tag is there, that is enclosed within the head tag, that is called the title tag. Now this title tag is shown on the web page. Where it is shown? It is shown at the top of the browser window. Every web page when you open in Google or whatever you open on the internet, on the web browser, each page has a title, and that title is shown on the top of the browser window. That is called the title bar. So whatever text you write within these title tags will appear on the title bar of your web browser. So title tag is a container tag, and whatever we write within the title tags will appear on the title bar of the web browser. Now body tag is also container tag. Whatever we write within the body tag will be shown on the web page actually. So this is the main content that appears on the web page. Whatever we type within the body appears on the main space of the web page. But the content written within the title tag does not appear on the web page body, but it appears on the title bar of the web page. Let me show it. So I have saved this file, notepad file, with the name test. Now this notepad file I have saved as type HTML. As I have saved the notepad file as HTML, so it becomes a web browser type of file, and as my default web browser is Internet Explorer, so it has taken the icon of the new version of Internet Explorer, that is the Microsoft Edge icon. Now if I click on this test file, see in here the test file has been saved as HTML, so it takes the icon of the Microsoft Edge or the Internet Explorer. If I click on it, that means it has become a web page now. According to this HTML code, it has become a web page now. Now if I double click on it, first of all I have to save it. Now after saving it, you can execute the file, and you will see that whatever I have typed here, it appears under the body. I have typed understanding HTML, that appears. Then by using break, ICC comes, and whatever I have written in the title part, that appears in the top title bar of the web browser.